Okay. It's quick. Hey, what's going on, Import Face-Off fans? I am Keegan Macy, and we are here in Oregon, my favorite of all the gone states. I should have rehearsed that. And it's time now for the two-step rev it up battle. Where does crowd jut? Anybody else blip? Maybe I'm having a stroke. Okay, guys, we're going to go right into it. Remember, this is a crowd judge competition, so not me, but you, sir, are going to let me know who stays, who leaves, and who has to call grandma with zero clout. Boo. All right, we got a left lane, we got a right lane here. Let's see. Where do we want to start? We're going to start. You're pointing. Oh, you're pointing out of fear? You want to start over here? You guys have been called out. You called out the ginger car. All right. So, my left lane, purple Civic. Hope you're cranked up. I need you to make an impression. I need HR to like your profile. 3, 2, 1. Show them what you got. All right, that was our left lane car, Honda Civic. What we got over here? Okay. Now you said you wanted that car to start first. Either you're scared or you got a secret weapon. I don't think there's an in between. I like your style, kid. He's like, let me. I'll tear that MFR up. All right. My man in the purple Civic. 3, 2, 1, go. I hadn't even asked the question yet. I haven't even asked him yet. Okay. It's time to pick your favorite shade of purple. Let me hear it from my man who's a good sport in Ginger Civic. They do have a soul. All right, let me hear it for brighter purple Civic. The local Adderall dealer is making money today. All right. Hey, I appreciate you pulling up, and I do mean that. I am going to have you pull forward. The 8-year-old in the back seat was just throwing up gang signs at me. Yeah. She was like, yeah, white boy. Yes. Okay, all right, so we're going to be, yeah, hang tight. So just so you guys know, this is a side-ported car, side dump. We got big man in the seat working the maps. Should have him on a laptop. All right. Black Civic. 3, 2, 1, go. It took him a second, because I'm getting there, baby. Hold on, I gotta think of your sister. All right, I'm there. Okay. Well, we got a phone down. Oh, no, he just wanted a level view to, yeah. Oh, yeah, I dropped my phone. All right. You made it to the second round. You ready to show him why? Go! Second, I didn't even ask him yet, and they're already there. So they got a bunch of cute kids, and you have old guy in the back seat. It's okay. It's okay. We all have our own spirit animal. With respect. He's talking trash. I will jail you. All right. Let me hear it for the black Civic. Purple black Civic. Hey man, I do appreciate you pulling up. Thank you, sir. I am gonna have you pull. It's Honda Day thus far. The EF. This is back from the Jimmy Carter administration. This is nice. All right, red Honda, Trace, Dose, 1, go! You feel like you can get to round 4? You feel like it's like, oh, it's calling my name. It's calling my name. Let's find out. Go! You guys aren't tired of him yet? It was like, okay, all right. All right, let's be fair. Let me hear it for the red EF. It's not bad. It's not bad. What about purple black Civic? That's more people every time. All right, red Honda, have you pull forward? We're now in round 4. Interesting side. Automatically level jumps to the finals. We can do a quick engine swap. Whoa! Whoa! I was standing right there. Alright. Integra, we're gonna get right to it. You ready, sir? Black Integra. Go. I just kind of want to see it blow up. I feel like it wants to blow up. It wants to blow up. But it's a Honda, so even if it blows up, it'll still... I mean, but it still wants to blow up. All right, you got some competition now. Civic, go! Okay, this might be the first close round. I got a feeling this is going to be very important. So, let me hear it for the Black Acura. Ooh, hang tight, hang tight. Deep breath in. Black Acura. Okay, okay. What about purple black Civic? Ooh, you slipping money to everybody before you pull up there? Hey, the second pull, you did much better, but he still got you, bro. But I appreciate you pulling up. What is this, round 5? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let him through, let him through. And pause. Lorel, you're doing a great job. Thank you, love. Honda Accord. Well, I'm hoping you got a 2J swap, because this man's a monster. Well, let's find, hold on. Lorel seems very confused. Hold on. It was just, oh, that's a tripping hazard. Okay, interesting. You want a bumper, or do you want, no bumper. I'm going. AC Delco, and buying the cheapest songs. Honda Accord, go! You know what's funny about that? This is what I like. This is what I like. Bro, I was talking trash, and you put me in my place. Yeah, like respect. I don't, I'm so white. I don't know. Okay. Now, if you win this round, straight to the finals. Don't let that affect your judgment, but that could be, this is going to be the fifth. So, deep breath. Are you ready? You ready? All right, give me your kill stare. Give me your kill stare. Yes. That was not a good kill stare, but I do like the car. Purple Civic, go! We're gonna find out. Hey, did you guys just see the barricades are there? Gotta have you stay back. Okay. I liked it in unison. It was good. It's Honda Motor Company in stereo. What do you guys think? What do you think? Which car are you thinking? You thinking the four-door or the sedan? Okay. Let's find out if you're right. Let me hear it for the Accord! That is a lot of people. That is a lot of people, and you are very loud. Okay. What about Purple Black Civic? I think that was the exact same people at the exact same volume. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get right to this. I'm gonna ask one more time, but when you vote, I want hands up. I want to see and hear who you're voting for. Let me hear it, let me see it for the Accord. You guys, that was great. You guys did that perfect. I do that in Alabama, like, what? Down. Oh, okay. Let me hear it, let me see it for the Civic. It's the Accord. It's the totally Accord. It's the Accord. But do this for me. Give me a huge round of applause. Yes. Be proud. You did very well. I'll make a deal with you. If nobody takes out 5, that trophy's yours. If no one does, that trophy's yours. I'll give that to you. However, let's keep this rolling in Tequila. You can do it. And y'all remember, I know you want to crouch in. You will hear the cars, but please stay right. Integra.
Okay, girl.
Get out of my mental DMs. All right, Integra, go! Let's do that again, shall we? They can still breathe back there. Let's fix that. Integra, hit him again. Go! See, that second pull was way better. That's the voice you hear in your head, isn't it? I know, totally. You might actually have serious competition. right. But you took out the car that took out 4 cars. So, Accord! It's like a jazz beat. I like it. All right, you know what time it is. Let me hear it for Acura. What about Accord? I want you to know you sounded good, especially that second pull, but he got you. He got you. All right, thank you, Acura. I'm going to have you pull forward, and another Honda will come join our arena. Okay, female driven. Female co-pilot.
Okay, girl.
She hadn't even cranked up yet. No, already started. Is it first time two-stepping? Probably? No? No? Okay. I got a feeling. You ready? I don't have to, you know, girl, when you're ready, give it to him. Don't even worry about me. Don't even worry about me. You do your thing. Whatever. Even the models are voting for it. Okay. My man, I'm gonna need you to hit it harder than you ever have and do a gender swap to win over this crowd. Can you do that for me? All right, Accord, go! Let's get to it, shall we? Let me hear it for the female driven city. I don't even have to ask. I know that was most of the crowd, but hey, you sounded fantastic. I want you to know that. You took out the car, you took out 4 cars. That says something. But Accord, I am going to have you pull forward. And half of a Honda will help join us. It looked like you were just about to bail. Be like, nope, I don't have a chance. I'm out. Go full Grand Theft Auto, full speed, out the car. See ya. All right, Del Swole. If anything, that was a whole new cadence. That was a whole new thing. I like that. That's like when you and your person are getting busy and your neighbor's like, dun, 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 I can hear you. Not that I would know. I've never been married. All right. Actually, what am I doing here? What I'm saying right here, we haven't even got to hear you do another pull. What am I doing here? I need you to blow their minds. Go! If I take a stand, I just want to know how this sounds because it's such an alternating thing. Ma'am, sir, 3, 2, 1. Audible assault. All right. 2 deep breath in. Let me hear it for the Del Swole. Civic! She got you a little bit, bro. I apologize. Yeah. You know, that's good competitive spirit. I respect that. I respect that. We'll see you in the limbo. I love it. Perfect. All right, Del Sol, we are going to have you pull forward. And another Civic. Now. Oh. Tasty.
Sir? Excuse me? Damage control.
It's like my dreams at night, ladies fighting over me. But dreams that will never come true. All right, Silver Civic in my left lane. Go! You ready, girl? Go!
Alright guys, let's hear it for the left lane Honda. Alright, let's hear it for the right lane Honda.
Okay, girl.
You did amazing, man. Thank you. You guys gotta get on the
After the FD, I'm gonna hurry.
This is hard. That's a good idea. I thought this was Subaru country. Apparently it's Honda time. Dig it. Clap, mommy? Clap? What was... Does it have to do with the sauce? Don't tell me. All right, this is going to be my ravioli Civic. It's the plate that's on it. It's not something a guy normally calls another guy. All right, ravioli Civic, go! I don't think the turn signals are supposed to shake, but it's a feature. It's a feature. Give me 3 crazy seconds. Let me hear from ravioli. I am going to have you pull forward. That's a backstory we'll get to later, but not in public. This is a family-friendly event. Oh my! Oh my! Mazda 97, the FT. FT. Now, ladies, for my girls, for my lovely models, this is probably going to be the thumbnail car. Probably going to be the thumbnail car. We'll see. So we want to make sure. Yes, yes. I thought we had 3 models. Apparently we have 2. That's fine. Might not count so good. Probably going to be a thumbnail car. Welcome back. No matter how this goes, I'm glad you pulled up. I just want you to know that. Oh, look at that. It's just so pretty. 0 jokes, nothing but respect. FD, go! Normally I like it a little longer, but that might be all I need start to finish. So, whew. That's tasty. You ready? How many rounds is this for you? 4? Okay, I'm glad you guys are counting. See, I'm an LSU alum. We know count so good. Okay. Still, I know these things are monsters. All right. This is gonna be around. This is gonna be around. Go! It's even angry on the way down. That is the racing license plate of all racing license plates. All right. Another Honda. Ma'am, do you need medical attention? See, here's the thing. If you don't win, she's going to kill me. Okay. Red Honda Civic! Go! Ready? Yeah, you are. You know it. Go! All right, I got a few more cars, so in the interest of time, let me hear for my red Honda. Stay very far away from her, just okay? Silver Honda! Ooh, okay, this is interesting. This side is like pure red Honda. This side is like pure silver Honda. Same time. What the hell? Sure! 3, 2, 1! Okay, so this is round number 5 for my silver Civic. If she wins, don't let this affect your judgment, but if it's a silver car, she goes straight to the finals. Let me hear it for the red Honda. That is a lot of people. Let me hear it for the silver Honda. Damn it, that's close. All right, so you know, we're going to do hands up. I want to be as fair as possible. Let me hear it, let me see it for the red Honda. Keep them up, and down. That's 3 votes for you, I'll give you 3 votes. Let me hear it, let me see it for the silver Honda. Don't hate me. By just a few people, this is going to go 5 rounds. Civic, bro, I want you to know, you sounded really good. I want you to know that. Red Honda, I'm going to have you pull forward. And if I could get my 2 post. Yes, Miss Haven Love, if we could please put that in the hands of this lovely lady right here who has gone 5 rounds. Guys, round of applause. She's still in it, but I'm going to give you the option. Do you want to continue, or do you want to quickly come back to the finals? If you get DQ'd, you can still come back. There's no loss of that option. You can stay in? Okay, she's hardcore. I like it. All right, here we go. Is this an Escort coupe? The ZX2. Okay. I think this is the first time I've had a ZX2 in a 2-step. In my 9 years of doing this, 40 shows a year. I want to get the full experience. Ford Motor Company, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, you text your friends, you're going to have a second. All right, brother, I want you to know this sounded better than I expected, but there's no way you're going to take her. I appreciate you. Go ahead and pull forward for me. I thought we just did this. I don't know about horsepower, but it's got bro power. Right there, right there. Yes, well done. Wait, where's this going to dump? Oh, that's a big one. You have a death wish. Hit me with it. It won't be. Here's what I need. Give me one hit. Just one. You handled that beautifully. All right, let's get right to it. Let me hear it from my lady-driven Honda. What about red Honda? I knew it would be everybody right here. Bro, you sounded good and you kind of pulled a sneaky on me, bud. She got you. I'm going to have you pull forward. Still sounded good. Still sounded good, but it's not enough. Yeah, ladies, help them push. Ladies, if you could, please. Of course not. Of course
I'm mentally pushing.
not. Come on, what is it, 70 pounds? It's BQ time! I'm not gonna lie, it looks good. The center caps that match the car. Okay. Infinity! Our first Infinity. Ready? Trace! Dose! That's 2, Laurel. Go!
This car is not insured.
Laurel!
What do we got over here? On a left. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Yeah, we'll see it. Okay. Alrighty. You ready? Alright. 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for coming.
Suffer for your sins. Go! This car shouldn't work, but it does.
Yeah! That's my goal!
This is about to be for 2 trophies. This is about to be for 2 trophies, you ready? This is the final round. You've been here a long time, bro. You've been here since like yesterday. That's a lot of it. All right, my female-driven Honda with the engine in the right place. Go! what the hell? Go!
God
Go!
damn!
Let me hear it for whatever this is.
Woo!
Thank you, sir. Your vote has been tallied.
God.
What if, hypothetically, female-driven Honda? Ladies and gentlemen, ladies, if you could, of course, present her with her second trophy of the event. Huge round of applause. She went like 34 rounds. Guys, thank you. We do this every year. This is Green Honor. Thank you to the Flow.com. See you next episode.